So hello students, welcome back to today's video class. In today's video class I am not going to start any new chapter. I will discuss few questions of the test that I have taken in your last few days. In this chapter regarding, I have seen that most of the problem was there in the chapter factorization. So I am going to discuss the factorization questions that I have given in the last question paper. The first one is the revision that I have given, the factorization, that is question number 6. X minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus ax minus a. So what we can do here, you can take x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 is a common. How? Here you can take a as a common, it will get x minus 1. So you can see x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus, these are the common terms. So you can take them as an HCF. So bring x minus 1 as a common. What we will left with here 1, here 2 x minus 1 is there. So 1 I have taken common. So 1 is left, x minus 1 plus here a is left. Now you can open the bracket, x minus 1 into 1 minus x minus minus plus 1 plus a. So the answer is x minus 1 into 2 minus x plus a is the answer. The next question was 14 into a minus 3b whole cube minus 21p a minus 3b. So what we can see here, a minus 3b and a minus 3b is a common term in the both the terms. So we can take them as a common factor. Out of 14 and 21, again 7 is the common factor. So take 7 as a common. Now what is left? Out of 14, 7 is taken out. So 2 is left. 2 7 is 14. Out of 3 terms of a minus b 3b whole cube, we can have taken 1, so 1 is left, 2 terms are left here. And here out of 21 I have taken 7 common, so 7 3s are 21, so 3 is left and with b is left here. Now you can break this into a minus b whole square, or you can leave the answer like this only, because these factors cannot be done any more. The next question is 2x to the power 4 minus 32. What we have to do here? 2 into, take the 2 as a common factor of 2 and 32. HCF 2 is, so x to the power 4 is left and 32. 2 is taken out, so 16 left. So you can write x to the power 4 in form of x square whole square and 16 in the term of 4 square. Now you can see here we have got a square minus b square form. So it will be x square minus 4a plus b and a minus b. So a minus b, again we can break it, because 4 can be transformed into a 2 square. So it will be x plus 2, x minus 2, and 2 was there, and this is as it is, because there is no formula of x square plus 2 square, means a square plus b square. So this is the answer. The next question is 7.1 is x square plus 1 by x square minus 11. So here what you can see, nothing is common here. It is not in the form of a minus b whole a square minus b square. Now only option is to break the middle term. So if you break the middle term, you have to factorize the 11 into 2 terms. So 11 ones are 11. So 11 minus 1 is not 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. So it cannot be do the middle term break. So here what we have to do, we have to choose some special condition or trick to solve this. So can we write minus 11 into minus 2 and minus 9. So in first 3 terms, what can you see, it's x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. So we can write it x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and in place of 9 we can write 3 square. So now we can see it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it is a plus b and a minus b is the answer. So x minus 1 by x plus 3, x minus 1 by x minus 3 is the answer. The next question is 16 a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So again here we have to transform this question into a square minus b square. So what we will write in 16a to the power 4, we can write 4a square whole square minus b square whole square. The power 4 is transformed to in square form. So again a square minus b square, so 4a square minus b square, 4a square plus b square. So you cannot break this because it is in plus, so it can be break. because 4a square can be written as 2s whole square and b square is b square. So it will be changed into a square minus b square. So 2a plus b is the first factor, 2a is b is the minus b is the second factor, and the third factor remains the same. So this is the answer. The last question that we have to see here, that is x to the power 9 plus y to the power 9. So what we will write here, you can write x cube whole cube plus y cube whole cube. It is, you can change this question in the cube formula. So what we will write, x cube plus y cube is the first factor, and second factor is x cube whole square, means x to the power 6 plus y cube whole square, that is equal to y to the power 6 minus xy. So it will be x cube y cube. Now you cannot change this again, so but you can change this one, a cube minus a cube plus b cube form. So you can change it again. It will be x plus y, second factor is x square plus y square minus xy, and the third factor is x to the power 6, that is y minus x cube y cube. So this is the answer. So in this way I have seen that these questions can be done. This factorization is the very easy types of factorization. Okay. Now one more question that I am going to do, that is in rational number question. In rational number also we have some confusion of yours, I have seen while checking your copies. Now see, the next question that I have seen, that we have made a mistake of rationalize the denominator. Okay, the question was 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus 1. So you have to rationalize this question. So how will you rationalize? You make this question into two parts like this, then rationalize with its conjugate. So what we will write, root 3 minus root 2 plus 1 into root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 by root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. So it will be root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 by, you can write root 3 minus root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Now what we will write, we will solve the questions. Root 3 into root 2 minus 1. So now you can write this part as a minus b whole square. So it will be 3 square means 3, root 3 square means 3, plus b square means root 2 square is only 2 plus 2 minus 2ab means 2, root 2 into root 3 is root 6 minus 1. Okay. Now what we have to write here, root 3 minus root 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 6. Now again there is root 6 in the denominator, so we cannot change it. We have to rationalize it again with its conjugate. So what we will do the conjugate, you can rationalize 4 plus 2 root 6 by 4 plus 2 root 6. So what we will get, root 3 into 4, you will get 4 root 3, root 3 into root 2 6, you will get plus 2 root over 18 minus 4 root 2 minus 2 root 12 minus 4 minus 2 root 6 whole divided by 2 4 square is 16 minus root 6 into root 6 is 6 and 2 2s are 4, 6 4s are 24. So what we can write? 4 root 3. 18 means what? 9 2s are 18, so we can write it. Take 3 as a common, it will become 6 root 2 minus 4 root 2. In place of 12, can we write 4 3s are 12? So for 4, 2 will comes out. So it will be 2 2s are 4 root 3 minus 4 minus 2 root 6 whole divided by 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Now you can solve the like terms of in the numerator. So what we can see here, so root 3, so plus root 3 and minus root 4 root 3, it will be cancelled. Now here 6 root 2 and 4 root 2, that is equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so here only 4 is there, so we can write 4 as it is, and this minus 2 root 6 by 8 minus 8. Now in the numerator you can take 2 as a common, so take 2 as a minus 2, take 2 common. Okay, so it will be easy to write. So from 4, if you take minus 2, it will become only 2. From minus 4 plus root 2, it will become minus 2 because we have taken the minus common. If you have taken minus common here also, so it will be left with plus root 6 by 8 minus 8. So minus minus cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So the answer is 2 plus minus 2 root 6 plus root 6 whole by 4 is the answer. See, we have to solve this question like this. I hope you have understood this factorization and as well number doubts which I have got from your side. Further, if you get any doubts, please ping me in my WhatsApp, or you can definitely call me also. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood this and enjoyed this question. Okay, fine. Goodbye.